one of the most mind-blowing pieces of architecture in the world to me is La Sagrada Familia in Spain, right? So here's this stunning, you know, awkward, esoteric cathedral in the middle of Barcelona that's been in progress for over 100 years. In other words, Gaudi, the author, the creator, the designer of this masterpiece, knew that this would not be completed in his lifetime and yet didn't mind. He had laid forth a vision that he knew was just going to take a lot of grit and determination. So in my workshop, we're going to talk about this concept of grit. We're going to pull in some research from Angela Duckworth. We're going to talk about some tools and this really cool concept called the 1% rule. If your curiosity is piqued, then join me in the workshop, because the 1% rule can absolutely transform how you look at how you move towards your goals. Okay? It's going to be cool.